In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and convert a PDF in Microsoft Word. If you've ever received a PDF and wished you could quickly edit the text or images without special software, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using Word, step by step. First, open Microsoft Word. From the top left, select File, then choose Open. Click Browse to locate your PDF on your computer. Select the file and click Open. At this point, Word will display a message letting you know it's about to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is normal and is what allows you to make changes. Click OK to start the conversion. Once the conversion finishes, your PDF content will appear in a Word document. Now you can edit text, swap or resize images, and adjust other content just like you would in any regular Word file. Keep in mind that Word is interpreting the PDF's structure, so the formatting may not be perfectly preserved, especially if the original PDF has complex layouts, multi-column designs, or unusual fonts. Things like line breaks, spacing, or image placement can shift. That's not an error. It's simply how PDF to Word conversion works. A helpful tip is to review headings, lists, and tables closely and make small, deliberate adjustments so your layout stays clean and consistent. If your PDF was created from scanned pages, the conversion can be less precise because scans are often treated like images rather than selectable text. In that case, expect to do a bit more manual cleanup after conversion. Also, if a unique font used in the PDF isn't available on your system, Word will substitute it, which can slightly change the look of the document. When you're finished editing, it's time to save your changes. Go to File and select Save As. Choose the location where you want the new file to live. If you want to share or lock in the layout for others, pick PDF from the Save As type dropdown. This will export your edited document back to a PDF so it's easy to view and hard to accidentally alter. If you want to keep working on it later or collaborate with others, choose Word document to save it as a docx file, which remains fully editable. And that's it. You opened a PDF in Word, confirmed the conversion, made your edits, and saved the result in the format you needed. Simple, fast, and no extra software required.